Correspondent Sakhi Deshpande joining me live from Mumbai. Sakhi, this is a really big and brave move by Abhay Deol. We've never seen it happen in the past. Playback singers, producers, directors, they usually, at the beck and call of big music labels, especially ones like T-Series. But this time, he's taken a really, really brave stand.
Absolutely, you said it right, Shiv. He has taken a brave stance with sporting a black bruised eye on the red carpet of an award ceremony, which was applauded by one and all, especially from the musicians and performers and the artists from the music industry, the big wigs to start with. Basically, the issue that stands is due to his film, which is in question, which is 1/2, which is set to release on 31st Jan. And the music composers of the movie are Shankar Ehsaan and Loy, the celebrated team of music directors, and the music label in question is T-Series. Now, the issue that has cropped up is that Shankar Ehsaan and Loy have refused to sign a contract of royalty between T-Series and them, which is basically with regards to the Indian Performing Rights Society,
yes,
that is IPRS, which states that the royalty should be given to them directly or by the IPRS. But here the T-Series, which is the music label, wants to administer the royalty to them directly. Now, T-Series has a completely different take on this. They're saying that they're in agreement with Viacom, which is the producer, and not with the artists themselves. So that is where the main issue has cropped up.
Sakhi,
and Abhay is standing by the music directors this time.
Sakhi, yes, people like Sunidhi Chauhan, Vishal Dadlani, Sonu Nigam, Shreya Ghoshal, all of these, big names from the music industry, they've tweeted, they've spoken out in support of Abhay Deol. But are they going to put their money where their mouth is and actually support him? Because what Abhay Deol has done may be brave, but it's also dangerous in an industry, that is so, bent on looking at loyalties and pliancy among actors and producers.
Absolutely, and when you say that, we know that T-Series is one of the biggest music labels that we have in the country today. But artists like Sonu Nigam, Abhijit Bhattacharya in the past have also protested and tried to bring into focus the royalty issue, which has so far been ignored by the music industry and the entertainment industry at large. Now, with the pressure of coming from WTO, the HRD ministry has already put a new copyrights law in place, which enables musicians and artists to get their own money, their own share till the end of time, actually, till the entire life. The royalty issue has already been in focus, and there are changes and regulations that have been put in force. But there are teething problems. It's an industry which has highly been deregulated, unregulated so far. So these royalty issues and copyrights issues have come into fore right now, and it will take some time for the music labels to also accept these changes happening in the industry.
Sakhi Deshpande, appreciate you joining me tonight on India Reports with those details. We'll keep a track of that story. Let's once again